This is module 4, lesson 24 homework, and here we're looking at word problems involving fractions and decimals. So I'm going to do number 3, which seems to be a challenging one. So a community bike ride offers a short 5 7/10 mile ride for children and families. The short ride is followed by a long ride, 5 2/3 times as long as the short ride for adults. If a woman bikes the short ride with her children and then the long ride with her friends, how many miles does she ride altogether? So there's a couple ways you can go about this. You can change both of them into fractions or both of them into decimals and go ahead and solve it. Or we can use a tape diagram to figure it out. And for me, actually, it was easier to use the tape diagram. So if I took my this would represent the short ride. So I could have 5 7/10 miles. And then I know that my long ride would be 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2/3. So we're going to divide this up into thirds. Each one of these would be divided up into thirds. And then I'm going to add 2 more thirds onto the end of it. So what I did is I took, this was just 5.7, and I added 1, 2, 3, 4. I made it 5 2/3 times longer. So here's my 2/3 over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make those into thirds too, and then I'm going to see, well, how many do well, if I have 5 7/10, or 5, what is 1/3 times 5 7/10? Well, I get 1 9/10 when I do the math. So now I know that if each one of these is 1 9/10, then I know that each one of these is also 1 9/10. So now all I have to do is go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I have 1 9/10 times 20, I have 38 miles. And that's how I did that one.